Billfinger.
Explosive welding. Extremely dangerous, extremely fast, but extremely effective. Steinmüller Africa is at the forefront of this technology in South Africa and has been using it since 2012 to weld together the tubes and tube sheets that form part of high-pressure heaters. Explosive welding can fuse any combination of metals together in ways that are impossible to achieve with thermal welding methods. The explosion occurs at a velocity of 8,000 meters per second and can hardly be seen with the naked eye. Once detonated, a small arc is formed, and as the powerful jet and shockwave runs out on the tube, all oxides between the metal layers are removed. The result is a true metallurgical bond that requires no post-weld heat treatment. Penetration of a typical front-face weld is in the order of 1 to 1.5 millimeters, whereas with explosive welding, typical weld lengths of 7 to 10 millimeters can be achieved. Explosive welding also eliminates the need for ultrasonic inspection, as the bond is achieved with every weld. If the explosives did detonate, the weld would be complete and correct. Although the explosion generates heat in excess of 2000 degrees Celsius, this is irrelevant as the entire explosion is complete within milliseconds. There is thus no stress relieving required by normal thermal welding methods. The explosive welds are also unaffected by thermal cycling when in operation, making the process ideally suited for heat exchangers like high-pressure heaters. Steinmüller Africa is the only company in South Africa today with a license and permit to offer explosive welding on high-pressure heaters. Boasting its own magazines and infrastructure, there is no need for time-consuming permits to transport explosives on public roads. This saves time and money. Safety is a top priority. There are strict protocols and procedures in place to ensure the safety of all staff members handling the explosives. Steinmüller Africa, synonymous with cutting-edge solutions in engineering, manufacturing and fabrication.